People who typically see me are people either have a nasal airway obstruction problem or those who are concerned about the appearance of their nose.
I had rhinoplasty done. I had a bump in my nose and I had fallen in a store and it had swollen up, so I came to see Dr. Eisemann to make sure it wasn't broken, and it wasn't. But then we got to talking about my situation and he told me that he could repair my nose for me.
We do an internal exam and make sure there are not other problems that have to be addressed as well, such as sinus problems, septal deviation problems, scarring from trauma, or even some congenital problems that interfere with breathing.
I've had chronic sinus problems throughout my life, and Dr. Eisemann said I had a deviated septum, and he also repaired that during the surgery. And since then, I hardly have sinus infections anymore. I have much better health.
It's about an hour and a half to do the operation, about an hour in the recovery area, and they go home. They have some packing that's in there overnight. Taping and the dressing is to get the skin to recontour, because we're working on the bone and cartilage, and the skin has to redistribute itself and adhere to the underlying cartilage and bone so it redrapes properly.
As far as recovery, he gave me an outline and directions with it. He also gave me a list of possible problems that could result from any surgery. So I was well informed and I was prepared for the procedure and the outcome.
This is her post-operatively, her pre-operative pictures. This is probably about 2 months after the surgery, which is generally when we take the post-operative pictures, and then we have them come back, in a year later also. My
health is better, and I just feel better about myself because I know my nose has been repaired and I like the way it looks now, and it makes a huge difference in your life.
It's probably one of the most common operations, but also one of the most difficult ones too. But it's a wonderful operation, and it has such a dramatic change in someone's appearance. Very dramatic for the patient and very rewarding for the physician.